I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Crowds of spectators exceed 12,000. Foxham? Well, according to the Sunday Times, they will be funneled into Overspill Fields.
Hey, look. The guns is...
Head Together wants to help everybody feel much more confident with their everyday mental health.
What the younger roars are doing is saying, right, here...
Imagine you come from the States and you end up in States.
Accidentally in States.
I'm in.
When we get there, I'm gonna jump right in.
Just of Cornwall in the jungle. Where do we stop?
Don't worry, Camilla.
New surprises and new joys. Disneyland.
We're over there.
That was the moment that would make KMTV go viral.
Before we go, we thought we'd take a moment to enjoy this moment of TV gold.
Follow that plan! First, here it is, your moment of Zen.
In the middle of this...
There had been speculation that maybe Meghan would ask her mother to escort her to the altar. And among the wedding watchers in Windsor, there was some disappointment that she hadn't done so.
Like to see your mom have walked her down the aisle, or her walk herself down the aisle. If it were me, I would be pleased with Charles walking me, you know, it's the father figure, you know what I'm saying? And it means that, hey, Megan, I love you. You're my son. Welcome to the royal family. I think, you know, whatever her mom was comfortable with. If she wanted to, I think that would have been lovely too. But if she prefers not to, I think it's wonderful that Prince Charles is doing it.
So now it's just the finishing touches to be put to plans which have been worked on for months. Windsor is preparing for crowds on a possibly unprecedented scale. Police have launched one of the biggest security operations mounted by the Thames Valley Force. The military who will be on parade are back in barracks getting ready. These are the household cavalry soldiers who will be escorting the newly married couple on the carriage procession. It's a royal wedding to be celebrated and enjoyed. And tonight, with just hours to go now, a good many in Windsor were settling down for the night.